Upon unboxing your PowerTiller, you get the following parts. Lay out all parts neatly before assembly. Step 1. Assemble the wheel axle and tires. Secure all bolts tightly. Note: valve side of pneumatic tire faces outward. Secure wheel axle to tire inner side. This is the fully assembled tire. Proceed to the next step. Step 2. Attach the main body to the tires. Align the holes during installation. Insert the locking pin and secure it with an R-pin. Assemble the wheel on the other side in the same way. Step 3. Install the connecting rod. Align the mounting holes before inserting pins. Secure it with an R-pin as before. Install the positioning bolt and tighten it fully. Step 4. Install the resistance tiller blade. Insert the locking pin and secure it with an R-pin. Step 5. Assemble the handle base and handle frame. Tighten all bolts properly. If your PowerTiller comes with a disc-type handle base, install the grinding disc. Place the spring washer and flat washer on top of the disc before securing it. When installing the handle frame, slightly pry it open for easier connection to the handle base. After connection, insert the handle fixing screw. Fit the flat washer and spring washer, then tighten the hand wheel. Step 6. Assemble the clutch cable. Ensure the cable is not twisted or jammed. Screw the bolt on the handle, all the way down for convenient cable adjustment. Screw the bolt on the pull rod all the way down as well. Pull the cable downwards while tightening the bolt. Fit the end of the clutch cable into the slot of the clutch lever. Make sure it is fully seated. Press the shift lever down by hand during installation for easier fitting. Finally, use tools to tighten all nuts at each position. Then adjust the tension of the cable. Test the clutch handle to confirm normal operation. Install the reverse cable in the same way as before. Step 7. Install the throttle adjustment switch and throttle cable. Thread the cable through the guide tube and pressure block of the throttle assembly. Then lock the cable in place with a screwdriver. Loosen the pressure plate of the throttle assembly slightly to ensure normal operation. After installation, adjust the throttle size via the switch. Step 8. Fit stop switch. Tighten the screw after installation. Connect the terminal of the stop switch to the engine wiring harness. Remove this screw, then install the ground wire. Step 9. Install the toolbox. Add the flat washer when installing the bolts. Finally, secure it with nuts. Step 10. Install the shift lever. Remove rubber boot, insert shift lever into upper shifting area, then secure it with a cotter pin. Restore the rubber boot to its original position after installation. Next, install the connecting rod that links the shift lever and the shift rocker of the main unit. Secure with cotter pin afterwards. Step 11. Assemble the mudguard with bolts and nuts. Skip this step if you purchase the one-piece mudguard. After assembling the mudguard, locate the mudguard bracket. First, mount this long bracket onto the rear hitch body. Next, fit this short bracket on the gearbox housing. After mounting the brackets, place the mudguard in position. Align the holes and fasten with bolts and nuts. Do not over-tighten the hardware. This completes the full assembly procedure. For the YUMA-170F power tiller, please double-check all bolts and connections before starting the machine.